One of the first things I'd say is there's a number of roles out there, but you have a better chance of being successful on a contract that A, suits your skills, and B, that you're interested in. You're trying to set a reputation for yourself from the start, and you're trying to establish yourself, so choose something that suits you. Secondly, you're a higher cost to a client, so that will put you under a spotlight. So no matter how you feel in the morning, you need to put in a performance day in, day out. That will guarantee you the possibility of an extension, or if you move to a new client and a new project, you need a good reference, especially if it's your first contract. Use an experienced accountant, ideally somebody that works with other IT contractors. Know when you're being paid, very important. If you have a mortgage and healthcare and that being paid in the first of the month with your permanent salary coming in regularly, not all agencies pay, some don't pay for a number of weeks. We pay within the first week, but some don't pay within a number of weeks of the month end. So it's important that you know if you have direct debits going out, have you got a buffer zone that can cover them. Lastly, if you know any IT contractors, ask their advice. How did they start out? What are the pitfalls that they met? Any tips they can give you?